Welcome back to AutoFlix YouTube channel, where extreme power, bold design, and automotive imagination come together. In today's video, we're taking a closer look at the Hummer H1, shown here as a customized concept version based on the thumbnail. This is not a standard factory model, but a modified concept build that pushes the Hummer attitude to the next level. Finished in a striking metallic cherry red, also known as chrome red, this machine looks aggressive, loud, and impossible to ignore. At first glance, the Hummer H1 already commands respect, and in this customized form, it becomes even more intimidating. The metallic cherry red paint gives the vehicle a bold and premium twist, transforming its military-style toughness into a show-stopping street presence. The chrome-like shine reflects light from every angle, making this H1 stand out wherever it goes. The front design remains raw and powerful. The wide stance, flat hood, and signature Hummer grille give it a brutal and unstoppable look. Custom elements and possible chrome accents enhance the aggressive feel, while the red finish adds a modern and exotic touch to its otherwise rugged personality. From the side, the Hummer H1 looks massive and dominant. Its wide track, tall body, and oversized tires highlight its extreme off-road capability. The metallic red color,